welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, okay? Welcome to my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you're feeling the vibes over here, then I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button down below. But guys, as you guys can see, this is my moving budget, and whoo child, there's a lot happening in 2021 for me. I'm leaving South Korea and I'm going back to the United States of America. Child, whoo, Chile. Y'all know what's happening at home, okay? So I'm moving back to home in the United States. I'm also going to be moving into a new apartment or house. I haven't decided yet, you know. It might be. We gotta see what's happening, what's doing, you know, what's up. And yeah, there's just some stuff that comes with it. Now, this was inspired by Budget Treasures because sis, you know, she was like, we getting our new home, we gonna get it together, we gonna create these envelopes. I was like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense for you to create moving expenses and stuff, you know, because you're gonna have them. So these are sinking funds and we're gonna get into it. For me being in the military, there are some things that are different, okay? I won't be paying for moving costs, meaning I don't need a moving truck because the military is gonna pay for that for me. The military also gives me some stipend for moving into a new apartment, but I'm not considering that a part of this. This is strictly from out of my paycheck. That's literally what it's for. So guys, we got our wine glass with some drink, okay? I've been drinking Stella Black all day, so this is not alcohol. This is actually simply watermelon, but your girl been drinking Stella Rosé all day. So, and guys, this is the bottle. Yes, I drank this entire bottle in like 3 hours, which isn't a long time, but yeah. So this is my first time tasting this too, so let's go ahead. Okay, it's all right, it's all right. I would definitely buy it again. I will say that, I will buy it again. But y'all, let's get into this moving budget. So, as you guys can see, moving budget 2021, so I have my category, goals, and due date. I only have 6 categories because I felt like those were the 6 categories I needed to focus on. I didn't need to do a lot in, you know, anything else. And this is mostly a talking video, so if you're not into that, then my bad, my bad. So, my moving budget, right? So for first month's rent, I don't know where I'm gonna live, but I know how much, you know, I've been researching and stuff because baby, you got the research. And so the military is gonna give me a total of $972 per month to pay rent based on my rank, right, in the military. So what I said, first month's rent, I'm just gonna put a goal of $980. Simply because the military is gonna give me $972 for the month to pay rent, I'm gonna do $980 as the goal for my first month's rent to have that available. And so I leave here in July. So my due date for this is 1 July 2021. Okay, so that is goals. Matter of fact, all of these should be 1 July 2021. But anyways, excuse me, I had to burp. Now, next thing is security deposit. Now, being that I'm in the military, sometimes I do have favor where I don't have to pay a security deposit like some people do. And then sometimes I can get like half off of my security deposit, or maybe they have a special or something, you know. I do get like, you know, basically special treatment because they know that the military is guaranteed. And if you don't pay your bills, like they can go to like your commander in the military and they can literally take it from your paycheck. So like regardless, as long as, you know, they knew I'm a military member, they're gonna get paid. So for security deposit, because I know I do have those special treatments, I'm only gonna put $200 And one thing I forgot to put on here was like application fees and stuff like that. So I could or possibly will use the security deposit as my application fee of $200, most likely. So I'm not accounting for anything in security deposit. I'm only accounting for the application fee with this $200. That's what I'm gonna do. Y'all seen the real, because I really thought these were my 6 categories, but obviously I forgot application fees and stuff. So security deposit is $200, aka my application fee, and again that due date is July 2021, right? Next thing is internet. For some reason, okay, getting Wi-Fi is expensive to start up. I think your bill will be like $100 and some dollars for the first month. So because I know they're gonna be coming and playing my pockets, I'm gonna do $150 for them to let me borrow their little box, whatever that is. And then my monthly fee of whatever it is, because I don't understand why startup plus the fee plus the box, child. I'm gonna do $150 for that amount, for my internet for starting. I don't know how the internet's gonna be, but you know, yeah. So $150 is the estimate. Also, to turn on my electricity, because I don't understand why flipping a switch. Listen, okay. Let me get this juice break, because flipping a switch, little baby, is expensive apparently. And you know what? Maybe somebody is, that works at electrician, job might say something different. But to me, as an outsider looking in, that's all I think about. You just flip a switch and I gotta pay you how much to do what? So I'm gonna do $150 for that as well, because I don't got no time. I'm not playing no games, and none of them. Not today, not tomorrow. Okay, I'm not playing no games. Home decor. Now this is where most of my money is going to go, because I don't have a bed. I don't have a center table. I don't have a table for I don't have a TV stand. I don't have a dining room set. There's just a lot of things that I don't have. So home decor, I'm gonna put $1,500 as my goal, because there's so much stuff that your girl needs to get. Like I'm literally starting off like I'm moving into for my first time. Like I have some stuff, like I have my couch, luckily, if it's still good, because it's been in storage for 2 years. So I have my couch, I have my washer and dryer. So those things, your girl don't need to get, because she already have them and it's not expensive for her. But like, my bed is hella expensive. If y'all bought a mattress, listen, okay? The last time I bought a mattress, that junk was $800. Was it $800? It was way too damn much. That's basically how much it was. Okay, so, yeah, way too damn much. So the mattress is what's gonna be, like expensive, but the decor, the things like that, then you gotta think about buying the pictures for the house, because I really want to decorate my house, y'all. I've never decorated my home, my space. I've never decorated it. I've always gotten it, get the basic necessities and just left it as is. I've never decorated my house, because I always knew that I'm gonna be moving, so what's the point, And this year, I want to decorate my home. So home decor is $1,500 with the same, due date. And then last but not least is the first month's groceries. I watched Budget Treasures recently, and sis was like, yeah, this is the amount that we want. So I'm putting $400 for groceries, my normal monthly budget, but this is gonna be the beginning for groceries, food, whatever I might need, seasoning, like she said, my rice, my flour, pasta, any of those. The basic stuff to fill me over, because what I don't want to do is going back and forth to this grocery stores, not with Roro and not with everybody acting up like they acting up like a baby ain't got no time. Okay, I just I got no time for it, point blank period. So that is also 1 July. Like I said, guys, I'm leaving in July, so everything has a due date of July. Now, will I get to this? Hopefully, fingers crossed, Some of these categories, or some of these things I'm already saving for, there's gonna be a month gap where I can save my check because I'm gonna be home for almost a month basically, so I can save my coins from then. But baby, okay, yeah, hopefully I can get all of these together, so we're hoping, fingers crossed. But let's see, so the first one is 980 plus 200 plus 150 plus 150 plus 1500 plus 400. Okay, so this is 3,000. Let me put this in purple so we know what's up. So the total I am trying to save $3,380. Now, let me tell y'all why this is, you know, funny, because I'm also doing a quarterly challenge. I'm also doing a 100 envelope challenge. I'm saving for this. I'm saving for Jamaica. Listen, baby. Child Chile, okay? But no, this is my goals for my apartment, because like it's just something that's happening in my life, for facts and for fiction. Jamaica might not happen, but for facts, this is happening. So I need to be prepped, prepared, and ready for life when I move back to America. Might not be all the way together, but this is as much where I would love to be by the time I'm leaving here. So anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This one was more serious than anything else because, you know, this is life-changing for me, in the fact that I am moving again from overseas back to the United States. So this is one of my more serious videos because I do take, contrary to my shenanigans in my videos, I do take like budgeting for life events serious. So yeah, guys, if you liked the video, let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, okay? Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And guys, if you do enjoy the content here on this channel, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. Again, my name is Anique, N-A-K, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.